In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on disappearing messages in WhatsApp. Disappearing messages are a simple way to keep your chats tidy and add a layer of privacy. When you turn this on, new messages in a conversation automatically delete themselves after a set amount of time. Keep in mind, this only applies to messages sent after you enable it, and while it helps with privacy, it isn't foolproof. People can still copy, forward, or screenshot content, and media might be saved elsewhere if downloads are enabled. First, open WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or from the web or desktop app. If you're on the web, make sure you're signed in and your phone is connected to the internet so your chats load properly. Next, open the specific chat where you want messages to disappear. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. The setting is applied per chat, so choose the exact thread you want to manage. Nothing will change for your other conversations. At the very top of the screen, tap or click the contact's name or the group name to open the chat info panel. This is where WhatsApp keeps all the settings and details for that conversation, including encryption info, media, and custom notifications. Now, scroll through the chat info and find disappearing messages. Tap or click it to open the options. If you don't see it in a group, it may be restricted by the group's admin settings. In that case, an admin will need to enable it, or you can ask them to grant permission. Choose your preferred timer, 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Think about how quickly you want messages to clear out. 24 hours is great for brief, time-sensitive chats. 7 days works well for weekly check-ins, and 90 days is a balanced option if you want a longer window before messages are removed. After you select a duration, WhatsApp will post a small notice in the chat so everyone knows the timer is on and what the period is. From this point forward, new messages in that chat will automatically delete after the time you selected. Older messages won't be affected. You can return to the same disappearing messages setting at any time to adjust the timer or switch it off if your needs change. A couple of quick tips to round things out. Media that's downloaded to a device may remain on that device even after the message disappears, and participants can still save or capture content, so share thoughtfully. That's it. Simple, effective, and easy to control on a chat-by-chat basis.